Short lang din ako content.
Yes, we're looking forward to a very fruitful season. We had, I think, really good pickup from the draft. Luis Villegas and Keith Datu, si Adrian Nopum, tsaka si Sherwin Concepcion were signed up.
I-edit ko naman.
We're very happy with what we see in practices and in scrimmages. Of course, added to our positive expectations were the results of the PBA on tour. We had a pretty solid performance in PBA on tour, and also we're very positive about the abilities of our import. Tingin namin na tamang-tamang fit siya sa sistema namin. But with all that, ano pa rin, we're very cautious with our objectives and goals. We want to be realistic, so
I'll just hold it.
we haven't made quarterfinals from last
All right,
conference.
so
So,
the meaning behind my
kung
jersey number
quarterfinals
is my
kami,
mom
it
was
would
born
have
on the
been,
24th of February, and my dad was
improvement.
born on the 24th of December. So
But
this
we're really
number
looking
is
at
mostly
our
just to
semis,
honor them
our
and carry them with me
elimination
on the
round.
court and everywhere I go.
If there are 11 games, we're looking to win above 50%. So if we can win six out of 5, that means we're still contending. We're still in the next round. So siguro yun muna, medyo we don't want to overestimate our capabilities. We'd like to be realistic, and we'd like to be just being in the game and contending. And that means you need to win at least 6 games out of the 11 in order to make the next round. So dun muna kami ngayon. Maayos yung import namin. Tingin ko malaking maitutulong niya. Yung mga nagkukulang namin sa size, of course. I think we've been able to maximize yung 6'9", 6'9" limit. He's an NBA veteran. He's an international veteran. Medyo matured na siya at 35. But his fitness level and his capabilities, I don't think have diminished since yung mga nakita naming videos niya na medyo bata siya. I think his maturity will even help us. He's also a leader, and at the same time, yung mga rookies namin na malalaki, sina Keith Datu at si Luis, are also going to benefit from playing around somebody like the Juan Summers.
Coach Inokum okay na? Kasi diba he still have sa contract?
He's attended a few practices, medyo tinatapos lang niya yung commitment niya doon sa team niya ngayon, yung San Juan Knights sa MPBL. So he's just trying to finish his commitments, contract commitments to his team now, but nakapag-practice na rin sa amin ng mga ilang beses. And sabi ko nga, natutuwa ako doon sa mga nakita ko. And sinusubaybayan ko rin siya doon sa kabilang liga. Maganda rin naman yung pinapakita niya ron.
Coach, on a different topic, yung rule changes sa PBA, may reaction ka ba doon? No more timeouts players?
Magandang developments yon. Actually, yung mga rules na yon, unanimous kaming mga head coaches. No? We were consulted by the commissioner, by the technical committee. We had meetings about that. We had video sessions about that. Na fine-tune na rin naman nila. No? Kasi nung unang application, nung mga rules, medyo rough pa eh. No? But itong next season, or next conference, I think mas refined na yung pag-apply ng mga rules dahil nga napag-usapan na namin kung saan pwedeng improve yung mga rules na yun. Pero natutuwa ako dahil we're going closer to the FIBA rules. And as I've said before, no, that's going to help our national team. That's going to help our players who will become Gilas players. Also, madalas tayo ngayon lumabas maglaro ng international games no? Even yung mga individual teams, not just our national team. No? Kami, nakapaglaro kami ng Jones Cup, yung Meralco nakapaglaro ng Dubai, no? Yung EASL, isa pang yun, international tournament that we regularly will participate in. So dapat talaga nag-a-adjust na tayo towards international rules. That's gonna help us with our SEA Games, that's gonna help us with our Asian Games. So, conforme kami lahat doon. Wala kaming doon. We have no complaints about getting closer to the FIBA rules. Isang malaking adjustment dyan, yung no player timeouts. No, that will also require tactical adjustments sa coaching aspect. It will also require an adjustment from the player's side na nasanay sila na pwede silang time out. But one good thing about that is it's going to reward good defense. It's going to reward effort and defensive intensity. So wala ka ng bailout with the timeouts. So I think that's a good development.
Rin, with the possible absence of Justin Brownlee, do you see the competition?
Offhand, mukhang mukhang will be an advantage, or it will give the other teams probably a better chance of getting to the finals or semifinals, whichever, kasi alam naman natin pag nandyan si Brownlee, either finalist or champion yung Ginebra. But I think kailangan din mag-ingat muna tayo doon sa thought na yon, kasi with the resources of Ginebra, with the expertise of their coaching staff, and their scouting abilities, kayang-kaya nila kumuha ng magaling na import ulit eh. So, do alam natin medyo medyo merong kasamang swerte, pero yun nga, sabi ko, if you have the resources, if you have the expertise and the network which Ginebra has, kaya nilang maghanap ng magaling din na import. Although it's very hard to fill the big shoes of Justin Brownlee. Kaya lang hindi naman ang hahanapin mo, hindi naman yung eksaktong kasing style ng laro niya, Hahanapin mo rin syempre yung medyo maiiba, You're not really looking for another Justin Brownlee. There is only one Justin Brownlee. But I'm sure they can figure that out. That they can find somebody who might be helpful to them in some other ways, but as effective in giving them wins.
If I'm not mistaken, this is probably the biggest lineup na mahahanap mo since medyo matagal na since nagkaroon ka na itong malaking lineup. Does that give you some sort of confidence na finally you have a chance of matching up with Ginebra or San Miguel?
Malaking bagay talaga yan. Kasi lahat ng teams naghahanap ng pang-matchup kay Junmar. No? Lahat ng teams naghahanap pang-matchup kay Christian, kay Japet. No? So, nung nakita namin available itong mga quality big men doon sa draft, sinunggaban na namin. No? Marami pa kaming ibang mga plano sana na malalim yung draft. You have other options, no? But when we saw the bigs and their quality bigs available, hindi na namin pinag-isipan. Talagang sinunggaban na namin yung dalawang malalaki na yun. Also to address our problems of size, maliit kaming team, and also to be able to match up with the likes of Junmar, Japet, and Christian. So, isang ano nga yun, isang positive aspect ng developments this off-season na tingin namin na can give us an advantage going into the next conference.
Coach, when do you expect Luis to suit up?
Ang dati naming tina-target dyan, January January makakapag-contact, no? Contact practice na siya. Pero sa tingin namin ngayon, baka December, kaya na mag-contact practice. Mabilis yung mabilis yung development or yung healing process niya.
Thanks, Coach.